bitch, I'm back. I'm popular the man.
Hey guys, it's Ryan Simone. I am back again with another video for you guys, and today I did a quick and easy makeup look. I'm about to go out with my friends, but I was literally on a time crunch, so I had to get this done quick. And then this is just something that's natural that anybody could do if they don't feel like doing like extravagant makeup, but they just want to look kind of cute, but they still want to pop, you feel me? And that's what I did today, and it's something that was real quick, like real quick. Every product that I use will be listed down below. And I also apologize if you see me look down a lot. I have my laptop right here and I was watching Surviving R. Kelly as I was doing my makeup, because child, my camera died, so I put my lashes on. So now I'm just about to do my highlight, mascara, and my lip.